JUTC has embarked on a pilot for the testing of a fleet management system that involves robust fleet management models that allow for real-time monitoring and management of the bus fleet. The introduction of Wi-Fi opens new possibilities for education, business, and most importantly, community engagement. In collaboration with the JUTC, Madam Speaker, a total of 16 new routes will be offered to PPV sector. They seek to ensure that all Jamaicans have access to energy supply that is secure and reliable, cost-effective and affordable, low carbon and environmentally friendly. To nullify the demerit points recorded against all drivers' licenses before February 1st, 2023. Outstanding tickets issued before February 1st, 2018 and demerit points accrued up to February 1st, 2023 were made null and void and not carried over to the Road Traffic Act 2018, which came into effect on February 1st, 2023. For all tickets which were paid by January 31st, 2023, the demerit points were expunged. Based on the circumstances, the government has been left with no choice but to pursue a special audit and investigation into JPS bills published in the aftermath of the hurricane. Before these buses came, there were 6 buses in operation servicing 4 parishes. And we have now 8 buses here on top of the 6, plus we have 4 more buses coming on Sunday. This collaboration will foster the sharing of knowledge, skills, and best practices, driving innovation in research, development, and practical applications. Together, we will build out a network of expertise that will benefit both Jamaica and Canada.